Hey guys, this is Jeff from If I Can You Can Too. Today I'll be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So I've already jumbled my Rubik's Cube here, and I am not going to cheat or Photoshop any of this, so this will 100% work if you do it the right way. So first step is get 3 whites. So I've gotten 3 whites. Next step is get a white in this or here in these 3 blocks. So I have a white here, and there are 3 different algorithms. So if it's directly under here, move it this side, get this down and tuck it in. I'll show you another way. So this here, so for this you will pull this side down, then put this and done. For the third way, so I have a white at the bottom. So for this, you will take this down, move it twice, and it will come here. Then take it up, move it this side, take it down, done. So all of the 3 ways. So next step. So for this step, you can have none of the colors here matching, one color matching, or all of the colors matching. So I have one color matching. So if you have one color matching, put this color other side. And if you've gotten no colors matching, just put it in any way with white on top and do the same. And after that, you will get one color matching, then do this. So take this down, side, up, this way, here. And you get it down, done. So this first layer is done. Now for the bottom layer, which is the yellow. So in this scenario, you can get 3 possible combinations. 1 yellow over here. So you should put, if you have only gotten 1, put it towards the bottom left corner. Or if you've gotten 2 like me, put 1 in the bottom left corner and 1 in the top right corner. Or if you've gotten 2 together, put them in the top right corner. So I have gotten it like this. So I will take this up, push it that way, and this. And if you've gotten none, just do it in any sequence and you'll get it. Now I'll pull this here and move it twice. So I've gotten 2 here. So now I will take it up, do the same step. Now I've gotten none. So doing nothing, I'll just put it in the same place and do the step again. I've gotten 2 again. I'll do it. I've gotten 1. I've gotten 1 again. This step can take some time, and after that you will be done with the yellow. This is a hard step. So in this step you can get one side colored matching or no side color matching, or you might just directly solve your cube. So if you have one color matching, put it towards, and if you have no color matching, don't worry and do this and you'll get a color matching. So here you'll get this down, you'll move this here. So from here I will take this here, move it twice, Then I'll move this side twice and then I'll get this. Now I will move this and get it here. Now this is solved. I will move it twice back, twice the right side, and twice back again. And then you can see, if you have two blues here, just do it, and your Rubik's Cube is solved. It is so easy. Even you can do it on your own. For me, it took me 5-6 attempts, then I was easily able to solve it.